guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Jessie's wig, and they sent me the most natural wig I've ever worked with in my entire YouTube career life. So they sent me this 13x4 HD lace kinky curly wig. It is in 24 inches and it rests literally on the top of my breast, and I'm 5'5", so if you're supposed to get it, that's where it would probably reach you if you're the same height as me. This wig also had the kinky curly edges, and baby, they gave exactly what they were supposed to give, okay? But before we jump into the installation process of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is how the package came. This is the box, and again, it is Jessie's wig. So inside the package, they sent me some headband that I could have used to install my wig, but I didn't use it because I just like using the one that I could actually grip and I could literally tighten it on my head. Like, I don't feel like that one. The ones with the Velcro straps, I don't think they're tight enough. But that's for me. If it works for you, then by all means, you get one in the box. They also sent me some stocking cap, which I did not use because I had one that was already open, so I didn't need to use it. And of course, the wig itself. Like I said, this wig is a 13x4 HD lace kinky curly wig in 24 inches, and baby, it literally gave what it's supposed to give. Like, everybody thinks it's my hair, and who's gonna tell them that it's not? Who? Not me, for sure. But anyways, if you guys would like to see how I ended up getting this look, then, or how I install this wig, then definitely keep on watching.
world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
This Diddy Mitch Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell 'em, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell 'em this, Diddy Mitch, Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell 'em this, Diddy Mitch, Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, one in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a combination. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girls and her, dirt, 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 dirt.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Jessie's wig for sponsoring this video. If you guys love to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. But again, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.